Toddler Learning Time TV.
Splish splash! It's bubble time! I love the water! Quack quack goes my ducky. Let's ride the bubbly waves. Wow, look at the bubbles! Pop, pop, pop! Look! I got a foam hat! I'm the Bubble King! 1 red boat, 2 duckies, 3 stars, 4 rings, 5 rainbow balls. Yay! Wash, wash, wash my arms. Wash behind my ears. Wash my belly. Wash my toes. Lash away the fears. Ah, that feels so warm. Shampoo is all gone. I'm all clean now. Time to dry off and smile big. Brush, brush, brush my teeth, nice and clean for bed. Good night, ducky, time to sleep. Sweet dreams and snuggles.